Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Thiruvan Saranai. Good evening, Venerable Mahasangha, Sales and brothers and sisters in the Dhamma. Today we are going to talk about the Zest triplet, the Pīti Tika, part 2. And what we are going to focus on today is the question, the exercise that we left with you during the previous week. And that is to categorize the analytical states of the Pīti Tika according to Khandha, Ayatana, Dhatu, and Arya Satya. So to refresh our minds, let's look at the three terms of the Pīti Tika. Pītisahagatā dhammā, states that are accompanied by zest. Sukhasahagatā dhammā, states that are accompanied by ease. And upekkhāsahagatā dhammā, states that are accompanied by indifference. Now, looking at the analytical states coming under pītisahagatā dhammā, we get 51 consciousness accompanied by zest and 46 cetasika. And these are the 46 excluding pīti, dosa, issa, maccariya, kukkucca, and vicikicca. Now, this is a summary chart which gives the pītisahagatā dhammā, the consciousness, in dark gray. So as you can see, you get pītisahagatā arising only in the sense sphere, fine material sphere, and the supramundane sphere. And we get the 4 somanasa-sahagatā lobha citta. We get 1 ahetuka kusala vipaka, that is the somanasa-sahagatā santirana citta, and 1 ahetuka kriya, which is the hasitupada citta. And under beautiful consciousness, we get exactly half of the consciousness that's given here. So we get 12 consciousness, 4 kusala, 4 vipaka, and 4 kriya. And under fine material sphere, we get 3 kusala, 3 vipaka, and 3 kriya. And supramundane, we get 24 citta, that's 12 magga citta and 12 phala citta. So the analytical states that are categorized under pītisahagatā dhammā are classified under 4 khandha aggregates, 2 ayatana bases, 2 dhatu elements, and 3 arya satya, noble truths. We'll first look at the aggregates. So we get 4 aggregates. Feeling or vedana cetasika is classified under vedana khandha. Sanya, perception mental factor, is classified under sanya or perception aggregate, and the remaining 44 cetasika are classified under sankhara, mental formations aggregate. And the 51 citta, which are pītisahagatā, are classified under vijñāna khandha, consciousness aggregate. So here we get only 2 ayatana because we don't have any rupa. So the 51 consciousness are classified under manayatana, and the 46 cetasika are classified under dhammayatana. And similarly, we get 2 dhatu. The 51 pītisahagata citta are classified under mano vijñāna dhatu, and the 46 cetasika are classified under dhamma dhatu. Now we move on to the arya satya. So first, we will take the analytical states and broadly categorize them into mundane and supramundane groups. So the 51 citta, when we divide them, we get 27 citta coming under the mundane category and 24 citta coming under the supramundane category. So the 27 citta, which are mundane, are the 18 kamavachara, 9 rupavachara citta. And together with them arises 46 cetasika. And these mundane chitta cetasika can be further subdivided. That is, according to the dukkha arya satcha and samudaya satcha. Now, because we have the lobha cetasika, lobha is categorized under samudaya satcha, and the remaining 45 cetasika and the 27 chitta will fall under dukkha satcha. Next, under supramundane, we have 24 chitta and 35 cetasika. Out of them, the 8 path factors that arise together with the magga chitta are classified under magga satcha. And everything else, the 12 magga chitta and the other cetasika, the 27 other cetasika, as well as the 12 palachitta and the 35 cetasika, these are outside the scope of the Four Noble Truths. So you might be wondering why there are 35 cetasika and not the usual 36 cetasika. And this is because according to this term, it's pītisahagatā dhammā. So we take pīti as the subject, and because there is only one pīti occurring in one consciousness, we take out pīti. So pīti is excluded from this term. That is why instead of 36 cetasika, we end up having only 35 cetasika. So the 3 Arya Satcha in a nutshell would be the dukkha arya satcha. We got the 27 mundane chitta and 45 cetasika, that was excluding lobha, and lobha cetasika was categorized under samudaya satcha. And under magga satcha, we get 8 or 7 constituents of the path, that is depending on the jhana. So if it's a first jhana consciousness, you get all 8 path factors, and from the second jhana until the 5th jhana, we get 7 constituents. And these 8 or 7 constituents occur in the path consciousness of stream entry, once returner, non-returner, and arahantship. And everything else that's remaining are outside the scope of the Noble Truths. And these are the 12 magga chitta and the 27 remaining cetasika, as well as the 12 palachitta and the 35 cetasika. We now move on to the second term, sukhasahagatā dhammā. And the analytical states that are categorized under this term are 52 or 63 sukhaya vedanaya sampayutta chitta. Now, here, depending on which jhana system we are using, if we are using the 4 jhana system, it will be 52, and if you're using the 5 jhana system, it will be 63. So depending on which jhana system, the number will vary. And the difference will occur only in the Rupavachara and Lokuttara Chitta. The Kamavachara, the number of Kamavachara Chitta will remain the same. So here we get 19 Kamavachara Chitta, 9 or 12 Rupavachara, depending on whether it's the 4 jhana or 5 jhana system. Similarly, we get 24 or 32 Lokuttara Chitta. Together with this chitta arises 46 cetasika, and these are the cetasika excluding Vedana, Dosa, Issa, Machariya, Kukuccha, and Vichikiccha. So sukhasahagatā dhammā are classified under 3 khandha aggregates, 2 ayatana bases, 3 dhatu elements, and 3 arya satcha, noble truths. So first, the aggregates, we get 3 aggregates. Now, because this is sukhasahagatā dhammā, feeling or vedana cetasika is excluded. Therefore, the first khandha that we get is sanya khandha. And here we get the sanya cetasika classified under this. The remaining 45 cetasika falls under sankhara khandha. And the 63 sukhasahagatā chitta are classified under vijnana khandha. Again, because we get only chitta cetasika, consciousness and mental factors, we get only 2 ayatana. The 63 sukhasahagatā chitta falls under manayatana, and the 46 cetasika are classified under dhammayatana. Now here there is a slight difference. We have an additional dhatu. So we get 3 dhatu. And why it happens? It's because under the 63 sukhasahagatā chitta, we get sukhasahagatā kaya viññāna. And this chitta is classified under kaya viññāna dhatu. The remaining 62 chitta are classified under mano viññāna dhatu. And finally, the 46 cetasika are classified under dhamma dhatu. And now moving on to Arya Satcha, again we will divide the 63 chitta and the 46 cetasika into mundane and supramundane categories. Under mundane, we get 31 chitta, that is 19 kamavachara, 12 rupavachara. Now here we are considering only the 5 jhana system because it is less complicated if you stick to just one system. And the supramundane, we get 32 chitta and 35 cetasika. Now the mundane, we can further subdivide into 2 categories. We get dukkha satcha and samudaya satcha. Under samudaya satcha, we get lobha, and everything remaining, the 45 cetasika and 31 chitta, falls under dukkha satcha. And under the supramundane, the 8 path factors arising together with the magga chitta are categorized under magga satcha. And the remaining 16 magga chitta and other cetasika, the 16 phala chitta and the 35 cetasika, these are all outside the scope of the 4 noble truths. And again, we get 35 cetasika here in the total number. That is because Vedana is excluded from this triplet. So the summary of the 3 Arya Satcha, we get 31 mundane chitta and 45 cetasika excluding lobha under dukkha satcha. Lobha cetasika falls under samudaya satcha, and 8 or 7 path factors rising in the 4 supramundane consciousness. These are classified under magga satcha, and everything remaining, the 16 magga chitta, 27 cetasika, the 16 phala chitta and the 35 cetasika, these are all outside the scope of the noble truths. Now we come to the final term, upekkhāsahagatā dhammā, states accompanied by indifference. Here we get 55 upekkhāsahagatā chitta, and so these are classified under all 4 spheres. So we get kamavachara, rupavachara, arupavachara, and lokuttara. Together with these arises 46 cetasika, and these are excluding vedana, pīti, dosa, issa, macchariya, and kukuccha. The upekkhāsahagatā dhamma are classified under 3 khandha aggregates, 2 ayatana bases, 7 dhatu elements, and 3 Arya Satcha, noble truths. Under khandha, we get 3 khandha. Now, because Vedana is not there, the first khandha is Sanya khandha, and we get Sanya cetasika classified here. The remaining 45 cetasika are classified under Sankhara khandho, and the 55 upekkhāsahagata chitta are classified under Viññāna khandho. We get 2 ayatana, the 55 upekkhāsahagata chitta are classified under manayatana, and the 46 cetasika are classified under dhammayatana. Under dhatu, it's further expanded. We get 7 dhatu. This is because we get, in addition to the mano viññāna dhatu and dhamma dhatu, we get additionally the chakku, sota, gana, jibha, and mano dhatu. So under chakku, we get the 2 eye consciousness. Under sota viññāna dhatu, the 2 ear consciousness. Gana viññāna dhatu, the 2 nose consciousness. Jibha viññāna dhatu, the 2 tongue consciousness. Under mano dhatu, we get 3 consciousness, the 2 sampatichana and the panchadvara vajjana chitta. The remaining 44 chitta are classified under mano viññāna dhatu. And finally, the 46 Cetasika are classified under Dhamma Dhatu. Now, Arya Satcha, again, we will divide the 55 Chitta and the 46 Cetasika under mundane and supramundane categories. We get 47 mundane Chitta. These are the 32 Kāmāvachara, 3 Rūpāvachara, 12 Arūpāvachara Chitta. Together with them, we get 46 Cetasika. And when we subdivide them into 2 groups, we get the Lobha Cetasika falling under Samudaya Satcha, and the remaining 45 Cetasika and the 47 Chitta are classified under Dukkha Satcha. We get 7 path factors classified under Magga Satcha, and the remaining 4 Magga Chitta, the remaining 25 Cetasika, as well as the 4 Phala Chitta and 32 Cetasika are outside the scope of the 4 Noble Truths. Now here, usually when we talk about supramundane Chitta, we say that each Chitta is, or the Chitta are accompanied by 36 Cetasika. But here the starting number is 32. Now why is that? Now remember, we are talking about upekkhāsahagatā Chitta. So upekkhāsahagatā means out of the 5 jhana factors, it has only upekkha and ekaggata. That means vitakka, vichara and pīti are not included there. So therefore, if you consider a 5th jhana supramundane Chitta, it will have 33 Cetasika. But again, here we have taken only 32. That is because Vedana is not included in this term, because the heading itself is upekkhāsahagatā. The dhammas which are accompanied by indifference. So we have to exclude Vedana here. That is why from the 33 we deduct Vedana and we are left with 32 Cetasika. Next, we have mentioned 7 path factors. Again, it is because we are considering only the 5th jhana here. So 5th jhana Chitta have only upekha and ekaggata. It doesn't have vitakka, vichara, pīti. And vitakka corresponds to one of the path factors, which is samma sankappa. So here, because samma sankappa or vitakka is not there, we get only 7 path factors. That is why instead of 8 path factors, we are mentioning it as 7 path factors. So this is a summary table of the 3 Arya Satcha. The 47 mundane Chitta and 45 Cetasika are Dukkha Satcha. Lobha Cetasika is Samudaya Satcha. And the 7 constituents, that is the path factors excluding right thought, these are classified under Magga Satcha. And outside the scope of the Noble Truths, we have the 4 Magga Chitta and 25 other Cetasika. These are also called Magga Chittupada, and we have 26 here. And the 4 Phala Chitta and 32 Cetasika, that is the 33 Phala Chittupada. And we come to the end of our talk, and this is just a summary table showing the Khandha Ayatana Dhatu and Arya Satcha under the 3 different terms. And if you have any queries, you can direct them to this email address. Peruvan Sarnai, sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Thank you very much, Doctor. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.